What's up, everybody? This is the Tech Preacher. So let's have some fun. People been hitting me up in the DM saying that, oh my God, Samsung has screwed up. Let's get the pitchforks and shovels for the Samsung Galaxy S22 devices. Say that Samsung lied to us. They told us that the refresh rate goes from 10 hertz all the way to 120 hertz. But everybody saying that that's not the case. And then people hit me up and say, Easy, could you talk about it on the video? Well, let's go on and talk about it in this video. Let me give you my thoughts about this refresh rate thing on the Galaxy S22 Ultra. So sit back and relax and get your popcorn ready and follow me on this journey. Let's go. What's up, guys? This is Eric back with another video. So Samsung put some new technology, display and refresh rate on the Galaxy S22 Ultra, the device that I have. It's supposed to go all the way down to 10 hertz to conserve battery life. And then when you interact with the device, it's supposed to go all the way up to 120 hertz to give you that good smooth balance in between, right? So it's supposed to save battery life. But me having this device for a couple of days, I'm not really seeing tremendous battery life. I mean, it's not bad, but it's not like groundbreaking good, right? So a lot of people have been hitting me up and say, oh my God, you got to pull out the pitchforks and shovels because Samsung lied to us. So right here, I got the refresh rate on the Galaxy S22 Ultra, right? Right now, I'm not interacting with the device. It's right here at 24 hertz, 24 frames per second. And it's supposed to be all the way down to 10. So why is that? Why is that the refresh rate is not going all the way down to 10 hertz if you don't interact with the device? Well, first of all, I have no idea. I'm sure that Samsung would send out a software update to fix this. But listen, when I make these videos, I like to keep it real. People have been hitting me up about it, and I'm going to talk about it, and we go, give you my thoughts about it. This is the Galaxy Note 20 Ultra. Now this goes all the way down to 60 hertz. But when you interact with the device, it goes to 120 hertz. Let me give you an example. As you can see, it goes up to 120 hertz when you interact with the device, and then when you leave it alone, it goes down. The Galaxy S22 Ultra goes to 24 hertz, and the Galaxy Note 20 Ultra goes to 60 hertz. So why is the Galaxy S22 Ultra it's not at 10 hertz? Well, obviously it's got to be a software issue, right? So let's talk about refresh rate. Like, I have a refresh rate tester that I use on this YouTube channel, and I go to a website and I use what's called a refresh rate tester. So as you can see right now, it's at 60 hertz, right? And since the phone is being interact with, right? The refresh rate at the top is at 60 hertz. So we're at 60 and 60. So this is a true representation of the refresh rate. Now, if I interact with the device, it's going to go up. As you can see, 120 hertz on there. Kind of blow it up a little bit. Because the only thing we're concerned about is the numbers. Not really worrying about all that stuff that's moving in the background. All right, so if I don't interact with the device, as you can see, the refresh rate dropped to 60 hertz. And the frames per second is 60 hertz. And this is the test that I'm running, and it's at 60 hertz. So why the Galaxy S22 Ultra is supposed to go down to 10 hertz? Why it's not going down to 10 hertz? Now, I don't know. It's nothing that I can explain why it's not going down to 10 hertz. All I can tell you is that I'm sure that Samsung is aware of it, that us techies and us tech enthusiasts and us tech reviewers, we'll test this type of stuff. This is our testing phase of what we do here on our YouTube channels. We test out claims and we reveal it to you guys, whether or not it's fact or fiction. If this device goes down to 10 hertz, you would definitely see a boost in battery life. But yeah, I mean, should we pull out the pitchforks and shovels for Samsung? Listen, a lot of people like to hear the negativity. And every time we get a new release device, it's always something about you have to wait for software updates. The Galaxy S22 Ultra is the new kid on the block. So it hasn't received any updates as of me recording this video. So hopefully in the next month, 2 months, or a couple of weeks from now, you'll see a software update to fix this. And so listen, I'm not worried about it yet. Now, after 6 months or so, if it's not down to 10 hertz, then we will be concerned about it. But as of right now, We can't pull out the pitchfork to shovel yet. We have to give Samsung an opportunity to send out their first bug fix update, which I haven't received any update. So I know a lot of guys like to hear negativity. They ready to slam a device and say, oh, it's a fail, something like that. Listen, you know, when I call devices a fail, I look at the longevity, holding on to the device for a good period of time. And if you don't see any fixes over a period of time, then you start calling it out. So the Galaxy Note 20 Ultra doesn't go below 60 hertz, and the Galaxy S22 Ultra doesn't go below 60 hertz when it's interacting in this test. But if you have it on your home screen and you don't touch the device, it does not go below 24 hertz. So there you have it. That's my thoughts about it. I don't want to pull out the pitchforks and shovel yet. The device is less than a week old. So you can't pull out the pitchforks and shovels yet. Give it a few months. If it haven't been fixed, then we have a different conversation. But as of right now, the device is still new. So we got to give it a little slack. I understand that the price for it, but we got to give it a little slack. We got to get at least our first software update. And right now, I have not received an update for this device. So I'm sure that the first initial update, or maybe the second or the third initial update for the Galaxy S22 Ultra and the Galaxy S22 series of devices will fix some of these issues that people is kind of calling out a little bit. This is Eric the Tech Preacher from Easy Computer Solutions. Leave your comments down below. Let me know what you think about the Galaxy S22 Ultra and the hertz that's not happening here. See you guys on the next video. Peace.